Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from 24th of Feb till the 2nd of March. Yeah, the roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box and you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time. Okay, let's start. Cancer, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Temperance. So someone here is trying to be extremely patient with the situation. They feel like they should just heal themselves and they should wait for the time when everything is going to be fine between you guys. Let me clarify the Temperance here. Let's see what's happening. Someone who is having short temper or they get very angry very easily, they feel like they should change something in their behavior, in their nature. Apart from that, somebody is feeling like they should remain patient. Okay, let's clarify here. We have the Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, the Chariot. See, this is someone who feels like coming forward towards you with some kind of solid offer, with some kind of commitment, with some kind of marriage proposal, with some kind of long-term partnership, and they feel like being with you no matter what. This is your energy only. This is the Chariot, the Cancer. So it could be someone new around you who is patiently waiting for the time and you're going to be available for their offer. And or for some of you, this is somebody you walked away from and they feel like coming towards you with fresh kind of energy, but they feel like they should remain extremely patient in the situation because it's going to take time for whatever reason. Okay, let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer. Ace of Wands. So from your side, you feel like you should listen to your intuition. Okay, let your intuition guide you. At the same time, you feel like having a brand new beginning in your love and relationship area. There are very good chances of somebody new around you, somebody new or newish that you're already friends with, or you're getting to know somebody. Yeah. Let me clarify the Ace of Wands as your feelings. We have this. Okay, we have the Star, the High Priestess, and the Ace of Swords. See, there is definitely someone around, someone new around you, a newish kind of energy. You feel like you should remain optimistic and positive in this direction, and you should not open up yourself to like anybody or anything until unless you're 100% sure, 1000% sure that this is a real deal. So you feel like you should open up to new people, new energies, but you should take your time and you should do it when you feel like when you're 1000% clear like this is the real deal and now I can go ahead. So that is how you feel like you should do it. Yeah. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. Triple confirmation here that somebody new and or newish is around your energies right now at this present moment. The past is kind of gone. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? We have the Two of Wands. So somebody just wants to wait and watch. Yeah, this person is not in any kind of rush or hurry. They just don't want to like overwhelm you or maybe overwhelm themselves. Let me clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Death card, the Nine of Swords, and the Temperance. So this is somebody who just don't want to put themselves in any kind of stress. So they just want to patiently wait for the right time. Maybe they want you to become completely single, and or they want to become completely single from something or someone, maybe. I don't know. But this person wants to wait very patiently for the right time when they will be able to give you some kind of solid offer on the table. And this is a complete, not completely new energy. This person is around you, you already know them. I don't see them a completely new person. It's a new person that you're already connected to somehow, and or newish, like maybe you connected with a past person, past energy, but this person is already with you, already connected to you. You guys are talking, you guys are connected, and you guys and both of you are feeling the feelings, right? Let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Two of Cups. You want this beautiful soulmate kind of dynamics. Yeah, you want this person, this energy by your side who is going to complete you. Yeah, let me clarify the Two of Cups. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, the King of Swords. See, you want to have equal give and take of energy, and you want that kind of person who is not going to force you to lose your independence. So you just don't want to lose your individuality, and you want somebody by your side who is going to be very, very crystal clear in what they want from you and how they want it from you, and for like how much time and all that. So you want a beautiful connection where there is equal give and take of energy. At the same time, you don't want to lose your individuality. I don't see you don't want to lose your singlehood, but you don't want to lose your individuality no matter what. Yeah, for love. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 2nd of March. Let's see, Cancer, what we have. Queen of Wands. So it's of you creating your own reality. Oh God. This is the energy of you creating your own reality. Some kind of manifestation is coming to fruition in some way, Cancer, for you guys. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands here. Okay, the Locket. Okay, bear with me. Fine. We have the Hanged Man, the Seven of Cups, and the Seven of Wands. So I do see you being in the surrender mode, creating your own reality, and there will be no more confusion regarding a particular person or situation. You are going to get the utmost clarity about a particular person or situation, whether they are the one for you, or you should just let them go. But I do see some kind of manifestation coming to fruition, and you being in the surrender mode and chilling mode, and something is going to be crystal clear in front of you the moment you are going to be in this energy of, okay, I know what I want. Universe, I know what I want. Universe is giving you that clarity of, is this person meant for you, or you should let them go. That clarity. Yeah, for you the guidance is the Queen of Wands, the King of Wands. See, this person, this situation have a very beautiful potential to become something really beautiful in the coming future. Now it's up to you. You want to give them a chance or not. You want to give this connection a shot or not, completely up to you. But before saying yes or no to this situation, please be very, very sure that you are going to give it all of your heart and soul. Don't do it with your mind, right? So basically, if you feel you should go ahead with this person, do it with all of your heart and soul. Give it your 100%, even if you're going to fail. Either you are going to get a blessing and or lesson. So don't be afraid of getting another lesson. Basically, that's the idea here. That's the deal here. Because this particular person or situation have a very beautiful potential to become something really good in the coming future. Now, again, it's up to you. But take your time and take it slow, one day at a time kind of a deal. But do whatever you feel like doing in the situation with all of your heart and soul, whether it's a no or a yes, right? So that's the deal. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.